Tonight, one person is dead after a road rage shooting at a busy Glendale intersection. The man who fired the shot says he did it in self-defense.
12 News journalist Sean Rice is live where that shooting happened over at 67th Avenue and Camelback Road with new details from Glendale police. Sean?
Hey there, Mark and Tram. Police had this intersection here behind me, 67th Avenue and Camelback, shut down for really the entire morning today as they worked to learn how a road rage shooting would turn deadly. Police tell us a 29-year-old man has died after he was cut off just before this intersection, got out of his truck, and was fatally shot by the other driver. Now, police have not arrested that other driver who fired the shot as they work to determine if self-defense could be at play. A usually bustling intersection became a crime scene Monday morning.
We understand that the driver of the larger truck got out of his truck, approached the driver's side of the smaller truck. There was some type of confrontation that took place during through the driver's side window, and at one point the driver pulled out a weapon, fired a single shot towards the individual, causing life-threatening injuries.
That driver, 29-year-old Ramses Saldano Lopez, was transported to the hospital where he later died from his injuries. Police say the other driver stayed on scene and told them he felt his life was in danger when the exchange of words turned physical.
Under the law for self-defense, the person has to fear for their lives or fear that they're going to be harmed by another person. And the force has to be equal.
Valley Attorney Benjamin Taylor says the self-defense laws in Arizona are clear. Someone must be threatened with a weapon in order to fire one of their own.
You as a person have to prove that your self-defense is justified, meaning that you just can't pull out a weapon and shoot somebody just from a verbal altercation. You have to show people that you were at harm, that maybe your life was threatened, and that could be by a gun, or by a bat, or by some sort of weapon.
12 News cameras captured a man get loaded into the back of a Glendale police cruiser shortly after the shooting. At this time, it's unclear if he is involved in this shooting investigation. But in the wake of yet another road rage shooting on Arizona's roadways, police are urging people to stay calm instead of resorting to violence.
Don't let this escalate to the point of violence. If you are feeling threatened in any way, shape, or form, call 911. Let a police officer come into the situation and handle it.
And once again, the other driver, a 23-year-old male, has not yet been arrested. We also do not yet know his name as well. Glendale police are urging anyone with any information on this shooting to come forward. So if you may have been a witness to this road rage shooting, you're asked to call Glendale police and report what you may have saw. Reporting live in Glendale, Sean Rice, 12 News.